What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. On this video, I want to change the look on my watch. Basically, I got a bunch of bands. I got the hardware to hold the bands together. I don't know what this is called. I'm gonna figure it out. And I got a case. So this video is just customizing my watch to make it look a lot better for me and just for me. Make it look better just when I get dressed up or I have an outfit. I have different ways to go with it. I don't have just to stick with one. Stay tuned. So everything that you see here, I'm gonna have a link down below so you can purchase it. What I'm gonna start doing is I think I'm gonna go with a gold case, gray band, and I'm gonna change the little handle to this gold one. So we're gonna see how it looks. Got the gold case here. Hopefully it's nice and easy popping in and off. It's a nice gold case. Protect your frame from your watch. So I guess I'm gonna just start from this side just because it has these two things there. I don't think I need to take the band, even though I need to. Well, I might as well just take the band off, just because they're coming off anyway. So it's easy. Just take this little level here, pop it up, and then the same thing to the other side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little microfiber cloth and just try to clean it up real quick. I just did a video of putting a temper glass on it, so I'm gonna leave a link down below so y'all can go see it if you haven't watched it. So let's throw this on. And this is like a plastic rubbery thing, so it's not hard. So it's not like you're gonna break it if you put it in there. But it's giving me a hard time right now. There you go. I gotta make sure everything is lined up. There you go, lined up one side. What do I have to do? Okay, I see here. You just gotta whip. There you go. So it's looking a lot different. Let me just, for my fingerprints. Doesn't look bad at all. I just got to get it lined up properly. Let me see. You can still use it. I just got to line that up. Oh, there you go. See, I knew it was something wrong. You just got to keep playing with it. Make sure everything snaps on how it's supposed to. So there you go. There you go. It looks different. So now we're going to take this gray band. Doesn't seem like it's a bad material, but we'll never know until we try it. Let's try to pop this out of here. And it seemed like that gold part doesn't look like it's gonna fit. I picked for a 22 millimeter. Maybe I had to pick something smaller, but we're gonna give it a little test run and see how it does. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take one of these bad boys out. No, it's the right size. All right, okay. I never tried this, so let's see how it comes out. So what I end up doing is just pull it real hard off the camera and then just pop it in. So this one is a little bit easier. All we really have to do is just, I think it's gonna be easier. You never know. Don't give me a hard time too, bro. So, oh, there you go. And we just gotta slide this thing in there. Make sure that you have it, the little hook side, pointing that side, because that's where you need it to hold it. And then I'll push this to the back. And then line the hose up. Come on. just press this down, try to get it in there. It's much easier than said. Come on. Almost, oh, there you go. There you go. So now we're gonna, let me see. Do I got it right? Wait. Alright, so this part should go on this side. So let me see how I'm gonna fit this in here. Alright, so let me just squeeze it in there. Push this down. Yeah, that seems right. So now we're gonna put this together. Okay, now I gotta try to remember how is it that yeah. So this side goes to this one. So I got one side done. Let me get the other side, which something like that. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier. The hard part is just trying to get the little spring thing in the hole. Just when you have it on in the inside, just look for it. That's how my watch looks. So when I put it in, let's see how it looks. Oh, I think I have it backwards. Yeah, I do have it backwards. All right, so the bottom end goes on top. So let me just flip it over. All right, so I got it right. So let's try it out and see if y'all like how the looks look. I mean, I do. I really do. Let me wipe this down. Wipe the screen down. So what y'all think? Do you like? Don't like? Let me know in the comment below. I can switch it up. It's just a little video showing how you could make your watch look different than how it came out with the leather bands, with the case. It's just all to protect it. Well, the case more is just to protect my frame. You can still use it. So that's really dope. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.